by Sir Alban.
Ay! Sa!
Foul.
Ay! Wag!
Foul, Sir Jerry, and that's his first personal foul and first team foul. Rebounded by Sir Gabas. Sir Estrella. 16 seconds. Steal. Sir Hidakan mag-isa. Rebounded by Sir Gabas. Easy. 2 points. Sir Gabas. Rebounded by Sir Gabas. Sir Estrella floater. Kanya pa rin. Bomba. Pass 2. 10 seconds. Sir Supan. Sa Sir Gabas. Out of bounds. Bengals ball. Sir Alban, perimeter shot. Kuha na Sir Henson yan. Sir Henson nagmamadali, umikot. Steal by Sir Gabas. Bigay ka Sir Estrella. Sir Estrella, pasos kita. Wala. Kuha ni Sir Jerry. Easy 2 points, Sir Henson. Steve. Seconds. Tough shot. 2 points. Sir Supan pumasok sa gitna. Easy 2 points. Sir Supan. Rebounded by Sir Supan. Sir Supan nagtatawid ang bola. Yanis yan. 2 points. Sir Supan. Rebounded by Sir Supan na naman. Steal by Sir Lazares. Basket by Sir Lazares. Steal. Last possession, bago mo mag-change 5. Rebounded by Sir Gabas. 5. Nagmamadali, pinasa kasi Jeric, balik ka Sir Rosares. Easy 2 points, Sir Rosares. Hindi nandyan si Sir. 2 points. Timeout, Rage Bengals. Official score. Rebounded by Sir Jeric. Easy 2 points, Sir Bonyosa. Steal. Sir Jeric nagmamadali, inaabol ang bola. Nice save. Passes Sir Rosares. Easy 2 points, Sir Rosares. Easy 2 points, Sir Alban. Rebounded by Sir Alban. Steal. Nice shot, 2 points, Sir Rosares. Nice pa sa likod. Rebounded by Sir Brunyosa. Nagmamadali, pinasa kay Sir Buhano. Itong pasa ulit kay Sir Brunyosa. 2 points, Sir Brunyosa. Easy 2 points. Seconds. Steal. Pasok Sir Buhanoy, wala. Sir Hidakan, pasok Sir Supat, pumasok sa gitna. Foul. Jose Albano. Rebounded by Sir Albano. Wala na pong shot clock. Steal. Grabe yun. 10 seconds. Foul Diosa.
Idol kay number 18. Ayong ball mo.
Seven 7.6 seconds. 5 seconds.
Okay naman yung ganun. First game naman eh. Pwede lang isa. Hindi naman ma-apekto.
2.9. And the first half. Official score 21-23. 2-point lead para po sa Coral Hawks. Fadeaway shot. Okay. Pass to Sir Gabas. Mag-isa. Easy 2 points. Sir Gabas.
Wait, asan yung power bank?
10 seconds.
Wait, nararamdaman ba yung camera?
Foul jersey number 1, Sir Gabas, and that is first personal foul and first team foul. 10 seconds. Steal. Easy 2 points, Sir Super.
Ano yun, nakalak? NBA?
Lamang na po ang Beige Bengals, 25-23.
Kahit ako po, dyan, kahit sa dyan siguro eh. Kahit nandito ko lang ako, no?
10 seconds. Sayang. Rebounded by Sir Super.
Kaso nag-all.
Rebound by Sir Bradyosa. Sir Buhanoy. Pass to Sir Jerry. Easy 2 points, Sir Jerry. Hawks ball. Sayang. Beige Bengals nagmamadali. Sir Gabas na sa dulo. Easy 2 points, Sir Gabas.
Ang pogi na number 9.
Putback is good by Sir Bradyosa.
Kalaban nila ko. Oo, di ba? Tinalo kayo. Wala naman kami yung ano eh. Chamba lang yung first game.
10 seconds.
mo kasi purple. Kulelot din.
Out of bounds. Hawks ball.
Bantayan mo na ako hanggang doon.
Foul. Foul, jersey number 12. Second personal foul and first team foul.
Tapos updating mo
Football is good. 2 points. Gravity.
Sir Oda, isang tira dyan.
Rebounded by Sir Mendoza. Steal. Sir Gabas. Change card. Foul jersey. Foul Sir Albano, second personal foul and third team foul. Ten seconds. 2 points, Sir Mendoza. Rebounded by Sir Albano. Sir Hidahan, papasok, pinasa kay Sir Albano. Easy 2 points, Sir Albano. Points, Sir Gabas. Rebounded by Sir Bocado. Pass to Sir Jerry. 2 versus 1. Pass to Sir Mendoza. Easy 2 points. Sir Mendoza.
And score number 30.
Wow, jersey number 20, Sir Katabuna. Second personal foul and second team foul. 2 shots for Sir Albano.
Pati damit ko ilahat. Ayaw ka na pa. Live dyan ako live.
Steal. Nice pass. 2 points, Sir Gabas. Gabas, pasa Sir Supar, 2 versus 1. Timeout.
Patay na.
Warning for delay galing. Warning na.
Sa blue, wala muna. Kaya, kaya!
Ilan? Foul, jersey number 25, Sir Hidaka. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Sir Hidaka papasok sa gitna. Rebound by Sir Supan. Follow-up shot. Kuha ni Sir Jeric yan. Sir Jeric, Euro step. Easy, 2 points, Sir Jeric. Foul, counter. Foul, jersey number 52, Sir Bohano. And that's his first personal foul and third team foul. 2 shots for Sir Super. Penalty. Sir Gabas, second personal foul and penalty. Oras po natin ay 32.8.
Bench! Bench!
Baba mo na lang.
Color bench!
10 seconds. Wala na pong shot clock. 15 seconds. No shot clock. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Pasag na lang po ang maririnig. Basket. 2 points. Pushing foul. Foul, jersey number 9, Sir Brunyosa. First personal foul and first team foul. Sir Gabas. Foul, jersey number 12. Second personal foul and second team foul.
Tawa nga ako, may kumontak sa akin, classmate ko nung kumain ko. Sa school daw nila may sports. Kinukuha ko ano, yung video. Sabi ko, mag-organize nice pwede, dito hindi. Ang mahilig na mag-basketball, pero wala akong alam sa pag-dito. Hindi na kaya ko. Kaya na lapit mo na pag-balik dito, alam ko na. Dapat na mag-alit ng paper dapat. Dapat nag-mabigay ka na. Ay, sige, init pala.
Steal.
Meron ka na bang alaw yung basta dalawa lang pag-paya mo. I-or ba? Wala kang
Three seconds violation. 10 seconds. Out of bounds, Oxford. Easy 2 points, San Barbosa. Ten seconds. Easy 2 points, sir on the ball. Sir Gabas nagmamadali. Pinasa kay Sir Odabar. Piso-piso. Easy 2 points, Sir Odabar. Seconds. Jersey number 20, Sir Katabuda. Third personal foul and second team foul.
Yung green na
Sir Lozares nagmamadali 3 versus 2. Rebound by Sir Lago. Sir Lago, pasa Sir Gabas. Pasa Sir Lago, tumira ng 3. Okay. Change 5. Official score 49-42. 7-point lead for Page Evans. Struggling. Sir Albano, third personal foul and third team foul. Holding foul. Who's foul, Red? Okay po. Seconds. 2 points, Sir Super. Seconds. Foul. First personal foul, Sir Supa. Fourth team foul. Sir Lago po, sorry. First personal foul and fourth team foul. 2 shots for Sir Jerry.
Paano kayo nagano mo? Hindi kayo content. Kailan naglaro ang lima?
Nice pass, 2 points, Sir Jerry. Easy, 2 points.
Ganda. Parang bumabagal pa, hindi naman.
Kaya nga eh, parang naglalag na eh.
Three-point basket.
Labanan na ano to, 3-2 ah. 3-2.
Three-point basket by Sir Lago.
Kailan kayo?
6 game.
Ten seconds.
Ano kalaban eh?
Purple.
5 seconds. Steal.
Ano mo ah, medyo...
Namimili kami ng ano mga kalaban.
Hindi ah, na-schedule yun.
Rebounded by Sir Brunosa. Pass to Sir Jerry. 2 versus 2. Ano gagawin ni Sir Jerry? Nangalabaw na. Foul. Counted. Foul. Seconds. Rebounded by Sir Jerry. 2 versus 3. 4 versus 3. Same ball. 17 seconds. Two points. Ten seconds. Akyat sa anim ang inahabol ng Coral Hawks.
Pag sinusun siya naglalaro.
Kung na yung zoom, okay lang yun. Ayan, okay na yan.
Hindi, sinusun ko pag
10 seconds.
parang ano lang eh.
Sir Suban, pasi Sir Lago.
Sipag mo naman.
Easy to go, Sir Lago.
Hindi, ano din yan pa yun. At least masasani ka sa videography. Di ba ba? Di ba naman? Kaya birthday mo ba?
December
10 seconds.
9.
Linggo?
Gagawin daw linggo.
Ay, may ano yun.
5
Liliga ako nun.
seconds.
Wala ka na.
Bakit pa yun? Nagalang yung ginawa. Bayaran. Hoy!
Suban, Sir Estrella.
Uy! Abot ah!
10-point lead para po sa Beach Bengals.
Pre! Diba puti yan dati?
Siya pa rin. 2 points, Sir Canadio.
Naging dilaw na. Naging gamit na gamit na eh. Ano na ba pagpaglap?
Rebounded by Sir Canabuna. Nagmamadali. Pasa Sir Bohano. Pasa Sir Bronyosa. Easy 2 points, Sir Bronyosa. Pabasa anim ang hinahabol ng Coral Hawks. Sir Suban, sa ilalim, foul! Foul, jersey number 20, Sir Canabuna. And that is 1, 2, 3, 4 personal foul and first team foul. 2 shots for Sir Suban.
Ayun kasi yan sa tapak. Oo, pre, may mic na kasama yan.
Hawks ball. Rebound by Sir Suban. Pass to Sir Lago. 1 versus 2. 2 versus 2. Sir Gabas, easy 2 points. Baliktaran ang score.
Substitution na, dead ball. Sub. Prep sub. Sub.
Substitution net. Rebounded by Sir Gabas. 4 versus 3. Sir Gabas, passes Sir Suban. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Hawks ball. Steal. Pass to Sir Lago. Hinahabol ni Sir Bonganoy. Wala. Rebounded by Sir Lozares. Rebound, jersey number 12. Three-point basket by Sir Jerry. Timeout, Beach Bengals. Three-point by Sir Jerry. jersey number 9, Sir Bonosa. That is second personal foul and second team foul. 2 shots for Sir Supan.
Yan, patay mo yun siya. Ako. Kaya tayo. Kada bato din, lista na agad dito eh. Hindi pa bumabagsak.
Easy 2 points, Sir Albano. Easy 2 points, Sir Jerry. Points, Sir Albano. Steal. Timeout, Coral Hawks.
Idol ko yung number 4.
Foul jersey number 20, and that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Radway. And third team foul. 2 shots for Sir Albano.
Isa. With honors.
Official score 72-61. Foul. Foul Sir Supan, and that is first personal foul and second team foul. Third team foul, sorry po. Basket by Sir Supan. Steal. Two points, Sir Albano. Steal na naman. Pasa Sir Aldemar. Piso. Wala. Hawks ball. Akyat sa 15 ang inahabol ng Coral Hawks. Sir Luzares, paso sa kitna. Slow ball, wala. Kuha na Sir Supan. 3 minutes. Easy 2 points and Hitaka.
Bila ata cellphone, basta
Steal. Is easy 2 points and Hitaka. Is 2. Lumilipad. Nasobrahan. Last 2 minutes. 2 points. Sir Bronyosa. Foul, jersey number 9, Sir Bronyosa, and that is 3rd personal foul and 4th team foul.
Net, alam mo ba gamit mo ngayon sa katas? Precision. Yung gamit mo. Coach Mahal. Coach Mahal. Coach Mahal. Baka mag-apit ka sa public mo.
Foul.
Sino? Sino na?
First personal foul and warning for penalties.
Haba na vote niya? Hindi, haba na. Eh, siyempre nasa public na siya noon. Bago ka mag-public, dapat
Di ba, long hair din ako nag-upload. Bakit ito ba siya? Yun lang. Yun lang. Tinatablo ka na natin mo. Wala ko lang, Fred. Tinatablo ka na
Esi, di pwede yan kay Sir Lozares. Sir Lozares, siya naman ang gagawa. Easy 2 points, Sir Lozares. Steal. Sir Bumano ay papasok sa gitna. Inulit ang moves. 2 points. Time out. Page Bengals. .13-point lead para po sa Page Bengals. One minute. 2 points. Easy 2 points, Sir Bumano. Inuubos na ang oras. 10 seconds. Rebounded by Sir Lozares. Nag-aabol. Rebounded by Sir Bronyosa. Easy 2 points. No shot. 9.8. Foul. And penalty. 2 shots for Sir Odevar.
Bawi, pre.